look at this one's got
Oh yeah, it's a mud shot. Okay, that must be. Oh, and a giraffe in the background too. Hey,
buddy.
Day 8, Lewa, Kenya. Dear Journal, today started off as usual, morning safari, driving down the road, passing an ostrich or two, a rock outcropping, some grand zebras running around, and a very vocal Grevi zebra establishing his territory.
Amazing how much they sound like donkeys. Cows and cows and cows. Lots of cows and cattle.
Next, we went into the acacia forest to find more leopards. But instead, we found nothing but cows and cows and more cows. They come in many colors and walk all around our vehicle. If a bunch of cows can walk through here not feeling threatened by predators, then there's probably no leopards in the area.
Which one is that?
on both sides.
Which one is it? Agricultural animals. Are they part of? Are they closely related to like antelopes or?
Bovidae, same thing. Bovidae, yeah.
Oh. So the cows are basically just like fat antelopes or something.
Kind of.
Oh.
And then, you guessed it, we had yet another close elephant encounter. You know, I'm just gonna call every day Elephant Day, for we seem to see more and more each time.
That's the matriarch right there. Yeah. Love this grass right here.
This time we got close enough to where we could practically graze with them. It's no wonder they're known as the lawnmowers of the savannah. They really eat a ton of grass.
Look, they're coming right up to it. Oh my goodness. Are you recording? Yeah, I'm recording everything. Oh, look at Look, there's the matriarch right there. Oh my god, she's huge.
There are so many babies in this one group, it's unbelievable. A very successful herd when it comes to breeding and populating, apparently. So many adorable little pachyderms everywhere. Talk about having an intimate time with a herd of elephants. I feel like we've been invited to brunch by them. Many juveniles were very curious of our presence, and would approach us within feet and smell us. Seems to be a common behavior with the young elephants. I wonder what they think of us when they actually do approach. An adolescent individual got within feet of us and seemed to check us out. I was certain that she would maybe even interact with us, for she came so incredibly close to me in particular. I could practically reach out and pet her. But she backed away in the end. She did clearly take interest in us, though. And that, by far, is the closest encounter I've ever had with a wild elephant.
That woodpecker's really been going at it. Baby is tired.
Baby just died.
There was also one incredibly small Ellie who looked like she was trying to get up from the grass, but kept falling over. It was the cutest thing I've ever seen in Africa so far. She looked a bit sleepy, probably from a day's worth of roaming around the savannah. The grass must be incredibly comfortable. It's hard to believe that these babies can weigh over 235 pounds when they're first born. I estimate this one to be either 1 or 2 weeks old, for how small she is. She can just barely get her butt up in the air.
That baby is so floppy.
Trying to stay awake. Can't.
Yeah, that's how I am when I write my journal late at night.
She's so small that she doesn't even know what her own trunk was made for. But eventually she'll learn well through her own mother, who watches diligently over her. Now, if she can only just hoist herself up to explore the world some more. Oh, wait a minute. That's a boy baby elephant. My bad.
The nostrils on both ends are visible.
The herd then eventually moved on into the wilderness, and we ourselves then headed back to lunch. Great day so far, if you ask me.
Well, there they go. Into the wilderness. Well, that's pretty cool. I just learned that this hill that we're on is known as Ian's Hill. So that's pretty cool. On the base, Ian's Hill. So there's a ostrich by the window, and this ostrich actually has a name. Her name is what's her name?
Her name is Bati.
Bati?
Yeah.
Her name's Bati. She figured out how to get across the electric fencing on the road, and now she's basically part of the campsite, and she's free to walk around wherever she wants. She's basically the biggest animal on the campsite, and her name, Bati, actually means lucky in Swahili. So she's lucky to be here. That's why her name is Lucky in Swahili. She's very lucky to be here. Also kind of interesting to see an 8-foot tall, 9-foot tall bird outside the window. Just look at that. Quite a lovely bird.
As half of our group stayed at camp to play a cool game of volleyball with the rangers and guides, me and the other half of the group went on another afternoon game drive to see all sorts of cool creatures. From buffaloes giving us bizarre looks, to speeding past elephants, to seeing scenic views, it was indeed another wild afternoon out on the savannas. Towards the end of the safari, we also got to see the elusive dik-dik antelope, which are very hard to spot because of their small size. They are about just a foot in height. So small, in fact, that my video camera couldn't even pick them up, and I had to use my snapshot camera to see them. Hopefully, we'll see more of these little guys soon, for they are just too adorable to only be seen once. Dusk then arrived, and we got some spectacular views of orange and yellow sun rays peeking through the clouds. Quite a peaceful picture to wrap up another extraordinary day in Africa. Till the next journal entry, this is Ian, signing off.
Umnandi wena ngithi na